With this heat wave coming through, I've been making a lot more cool and summery recipes. This black bean salsa is one of my absolute favorites. Now this black bean salsa, it's cool, fresh, crunchy, a little spicy, tangy, delicious. And it goes great on with chips, on top of nachos. You can use it as a side dish, even on top of chili or enchiladas. It's really versatile and tastes just so good. So easy to make. This is one of my favorite hot sauce brands, but feel free to use whatever you like. Feel free to make it your own. Add or subtract whatever you like, whatever your family likes. You can eat it right away, but it's better if you let it sit for a bit. I hope you try this super easy recipe, and thank you so much for watching.